Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will show you a flowchart and a one Python program and program written in VB.NET console mode. Okay, write an algorithm in the form of flowchart which takes temperature input over 100 days period once per day and output the number of days when the temperature was below 20 centigrade and the number of days when the temperature was 20 centigrade and above. Okay, for this purpose I have written this flowchart. I have started from this point. This is start button. After this, I have taken the variables below 20 with the name of below 20 and integer equal to 0. By default value is 0 equal 20. That will contains the value when temperature will be equal to 20 and above 20. Integer equal to 0 and temperature data type is integer, counter equal to 0 and counter data type is also integer. The purpose of counter is to count the number of times. For example, if you want 100 days, it will show from 1 to 100, it means 100 days. Counter is used to count the number of times loop will be executed. And here input temperature, first it will take input temperature and it will check if temperature is less than 20. Yes, then because it is less than 20, it will add below 20 equal to below 20 plus 1. It will add 1, it will increase by 1. Okay, because it will count the temperature that is below than 20. And in case of no temperature, if it is not 20, may be equal to 20 or maybe greater than 20. If it is temperature equal to 20, yes, then what it will do, it will increase 1 in equal 20. And if it is not equal to 20, and definitely it will be above 20 and it will add in 1 in above 20. And here it will counter equal to counter plus 1. It will add 1 in one variable, 1 increment in counter, because here counter will be increased by 1 for every time, whether it will add the value in above, whether it will add the value in equal 20 and below 20. It will all will goes to counter equal to counter plus 1, because that is used to counter number of times that you have taken the input. And next, if counter is less than 100, then it will move there. Okay, and if yes, counter is less than 100, yes, and it will goes to again in input. Suppose last time is 99, 99 is less than 100, it will take in other input. This is 100 time, that's why I put counter less than 100. Okay, and once loop will be finished, then what you will do, then print number of days less than 20, that contains the value in below 20, number of days equal 20, that contains the value in variable equal 20, and print number of days above 20, that contains the value in above 20, and end. Okay, this is the flow chart that will shows the temperature above 20, equal to 20, and less than 20. Okay, now I will write a program in Python. I'm taking temperature first below 20 is a variable and data types is int and equal 20 data type is int, and above 20 data type is integer, and all are to be initialized with 0. Below 20 equal to 0, below 20 equal to 0, and equal 20 equal to 0, and above 20 equal to 0. Okay, and counter data type is also integer, and counter equal to 1. Okay, now here I am using while loop. while, I'm using here while loop, while counter less than equal to 100. But if I will take 100, it will get all 100 values. Okay, it will ask me 100 times to give the input. Okay, but I will not give the 100 here. I will not check the 100 inputs, but I will give you only 10 input. Okay, because I want to run 10 times. It will be work fine with the 10. It means we can also use it for 100 times. Okay, for checking purpose I am writing here counter less than equal to 10. It will ask me 10 values. Temperature, I didn't declare the temperature. I should declare before the use of this temp variable inside the loop. Temp equal to temp data type is integer. Okay, and temp will get value from integer because I want to convert it to integer. That's why I use this typecasting. Input, enter the value, okay, and here it will check if temp is less than 20. Okay, what you should do, it is below 20, you will use a variable below 20 equal to below 20 plus 1. It will increase 1 in below 20 variable. Elif temperature greater than 20, it means it will increase the value in above 20 equal to above 20 plus 1. It will increase in 1. And else definitely it is equal to 20. Else equal 20 equal 20 plus 1. Okay, and it must be added one value into the counter variable because counter is used to control the loop. Counter plus 1. Okay, once loop will be finished, then you will write the value. Print number of days less than 20 in variable less below 20. I will copy paste, control C, control V, and here number of days greater than 20. Greater than 20, it means I will use here variable above. Okay, next equal, I will use variable equal to 20, okay. I want to run this program. Else here I should give the colons operator here. Enter the value 65, 32, 25, 12, 20, 20, 35, 20, 18, 20. Now number of days less than 20. 2 days less than 4 days. 1, 65 is above, 32 2, 25 3, 35 4 only. How many 20 days? 21. This is 2, 20. This is 3, and this is 4. 4, 20 equal to 20, 4 greater than 20, and 2 is less than. Okay. Now I will write a program in VB.NET console mode. Here I want to write dim above 20 comma equal 20 comma below 20 as integer, dim temp counter as integer, counter equal to be 1, do while counter less than equal to 10. I want to check for 10 values, and here console dot write line here it will shows me message, enter the temperature, temperature will be stored into variable temp equal to console dot read line. Okay, read line is a function that will take an input from user, and then if temp is less than 20, then it will increase by 1 in variable below 20 equal to below 20 plus 1. Okay, and as if temperature greater than 20, then it will increase in above 20 equal to above 20 plus 1, else it will increase in variable equal 20 equal to 20 plus 1. Okay, when loop will be finished, then I need to display the values. Which values I want to display? I'm writing here console dot write line, number of days less than 20, when it is less than 20, ampersand, and you will write below 20. Okay, copy paste this, Control C, Control V, Control V. Here number of days greater than 20, equal to 20, equal to 20 variable, and here is above 20. Increment here 1. How loop will be terminated? When I will add here counter equal to counter plus 1. Okay, now I want to run it. Here 3 value I will enter, 4 value I will enter less than 30. 14, 3, 2, 4 value. 3 value is equal to 20 and 2 value is more than 20. Four values is less than 20, 3 values equal to 20, and number of days equal to 23. This is the program.